Hello friends, Jalpesh here from Future Tech Solution and welcome again to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the introduction to Entity Framework Core 8. This will be a multi-part series about the new features and functionalities of Entity Framework Core 8. So please stay tuned and we are going to deliver a lot more content about Entity Framework Core 8. So what is the agenda of this particular video? So here we are going to learn about what is Entity Framework Core 8, overview of the Entity Framework Core 8 and benefits of the Entity Framework Core 8. So what is Entity Framework Core? So Entity Framework is a object relational mapper developed by Microsoft on GitHub in the open source way, and it is one of the de facto standard for getting your relational data in your application, whether it's a Windows application or it's a web application. So how it works? So basically there will be two things there. One is your object, which is your entity or your domains, for example product, categories it is, and there will be some relational database like SQL Server or MySQL or other database. So basically what object relational mapper does is it will map your object to your relational database, and based on that object you need to write LINQ query and you can get the data and perform all the CRUD operation. So that is what the object relational mapper is. Now let's go to the overview of the Entity Framework Core 8. So Entity Framework Core 8 is a lightweight open source object relational mapper for .NET and .NET Core application. Basically it bridges the gap between your application object and relational databases. Basically it simplifies data access and manipulation. This latest version being lots of excitement, enhancement in performance, flexibility and developer experience. Now let's go to the benefits and features. So basically whenever you do data centric application or whenever you do database operation, there will be lots of benefit of using Entity Framework. Some of them are listed here. So first one is the productivity boost. So if you go traditional ADO.NET way, then you have to write lots of code for creating connection, then you need to fetch data, then fetch data in reader, and if you want to do insert, then you need to write a SQL query. That all thing you need not to do here. It will write very less code and you can focus on your business logic and enjoy your development speed. The second benefit of Entity Framework Core is simplifying data access. So you can interact with your database through your familiar C# language object and you can reduce the complexity. So the third thing is the performance enhancement. So if you know your objects very well, then you can experience the faster queries. There will be a optimized execution plan for your queries and improved memory usage. With Entity Framework Core 8, there are lots of new things there like AOT compatibility, lazy loading, raw SQL queries to unmapped types. So there are lots of new things coming with Entity Framework Core 8. So we are going to explore all these things in future videos. Another benefit of Entity Framework Core 8 is cross-platform. So you can build application for various platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac and more. So these all are the great benefits and features. We are going to see how we can install and set up the Entity Framework Core in your .NET application in next video. Stay tuned for more, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do subscribe to our channel at youtube.com/futurestechsolution. Thank you for having me. See you in the next video.